my friends, my name is Apóstolος Vacιρτζής and I am a wedding videographer. Recently I bought a Panasonic G7 and I wanted to compare it in ISO performance against my Panasonic Gh4. Let's go over to my PC and check it out, shall we?
I shot the same scene with both cameras from ISO 800 up to ISO 6400. It is pretty clear that in every ISO setting, the footage coming from the cheap Panasonic G7 is much cleaner than the video produced by Gh4. G7 has less luminance and less chroma noise than the more expensive Gh4. In the next scene, we compare the two cameras in Ultra HD resolution. Here we have the same results, but it is more evident that G7 has cleaner blacks. Especially in 3200 and 6400, see how much worse is Gh4 as far as it concerns chroma noise. Well, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and we will talk again soon. Bye!